Linking your bank account to CockroachDB Cloud is a straightforward process that allows you to manage payments and subscriptions easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your CockroachDB account. Visit the CockroachDB Cloud website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to Billing Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings or Dashboard. Look for the Billing or Payment Settings section, which is usually found in the main menu. Step 3. Select Payment Method. In the Billing Settings, find the option to add or update your payment method. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you will successfully link your bank account to CockroachDB Cloud, allowing for seamless payment management. If you encounter any issues, consult the support documentation or reach out to customer service for assistance.